Xiaomi is working on a new Poco X7 Pro smartphone. This is a mid-range smartphone model. This device could be the first ever HyperOS 2.0 powered phone in India. The Poco X6 Pro was announced in India back in January 2024, so the Poco X7 Pro would likely launch in a similar timeline. The Poco X7 is possibly a renamed Redmi Note 14 Pro. In other words, the Poco X7 Pro might be a rebranded Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus model. Xiaomi recently confirmed the December launch timeline for the Redmi Note 14 series. If the Poco X7 Pro is a rebranded Note 14 Pro Plus, then we can expect a 6.67-inch AMOLED display with a 1.5K resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate on the front. The rear may offer a 50MP main camera, 50MP telephoto camera, 8MP ultrawide. The Poco X7 Pro may be equipped with the Snapdragon 7's Gen 3 SoC as well. A massive 6,200 mAh battery pack could power this model, which supports 90W wired fast charging. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.